Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO Y76, and today I'll show you how you can put this phone into safe mode. So to get started, let's hold our power key, and once you see the boot options right here, you want to hold power off. This then turns into reboot to safe mode message, so confirm it by tapping on OK, and the device will now boot into safe mode. Now first it actually needs to reboot, so give it a minute to finish this up. Now in safe mode, once it's there, you'll notice that only the primary applications are working. Any kind of third-party app that you have installed yourself, either from the browser or from Google Play Store, will not work at all. And that is strictly so you can troubleshoot your phone. If you have for some reason installed some app that is causing you problems, basically just a kind of malicious app, you can boot your phone into safe mode as we just did, and you can easily deal with that app in here because it will have no way of running at all. Now let's see if there's anything that I cannot turn on. Surprisingly, it looks like everything here will run normally for some odd reason. Now normally when you encounter an app that shouldn't work in this mode, it will become monochrome, so just kind of like semi-transparent grayish color. But like I said, I don't really see anything here that is turned off. That's kind of weird. Anyway, that is how you would boot into safe mode. Now to leave this mode, you would just hold your power key once again, and this time around simply tap on restart. It will reboot the device and bring you back to normal mode. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.